Hey there everybody, it's Skyfly1, and I'm here with another Pokemon Booster Tin unboxing. This one we have Lugia EX, very cool looking. And this is part of the Thunderous, well, it's blocked by a nice big barcode, Deoxys and Lugia tin sets, which are the newest tin sets, I believe. And if you look, I have a Deoxys tin unboxing. Alright, so there we go, there's them. It includes, let's see here, 3 special foil Pokemon EX cards, 4 Pokemon TCG booster packs, 1 bonus TCG online code card. So it's pretty cool, and here's a view of the back. Play with the power of plasma. I like the plasma set. It is definitely, I don't think it's one of my favorite. I am not at all a competitive player or serious collector, but I definitely, it's cool, it's interesting, there's a lot of good cards with it, but not one of my personal favorites. Alright, so there we go. Let's pop this guy off. Alright. We have the nice Lugia EX, very cool looking. And we'll carefully take that out. Okay, we got it, and hey, there we go. Awesome. So then we have, let's see, TCG code, online TCG codes, and our 4 packs. Okay, so we got here. We have let's see, 2 Plasma Blast, of Plasma Freeze, and a Plasma Storm. So, I gotta say, guys, I love Pokemon cards. They're awesome. Alright, let's see, actually, you know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna go Plasma Storm, Plasma Freeze, and then Plasma Blast. So, we'll set these off to the side. Alright. We have an Infernape on the front. One of my favorite starters. I know a lot of people don't like the fire and fighting starters and Pokemon and everything, but I think they're alright. Alright. So let's see here. We have our TCG code, which we'll put over here. And then I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay. Here we have, oh, here's our Lugia EX, put over there. So we have our Rufflet, Pansear, Zubat, a Patrat, Carvana, a Moongus, Girder, Verbank City Gym, a Lipard, very cool looking, the reverse hollow, and a Conkeldurr as our rare, I believe. Yep, that's our rare. Non-hollow, still pretty cool looking. Alright. Next, here we have our Plasma Freeze with a Bisharp, looks like, on the front. It's about to say Poniard, and I was like, that's his less evolved form, basic form. Alright, we have Plasma Freeze here. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Ooh. Alright. Dino, or Dino. I believe it's Dino. Sneasel. Excuse me. A Beldum. I always like Beldum. The whole Beldum, Metang, and Metagross line. Nidoran female. Cacnea. Looking a little freaked out there. Wah! Wah! Alright. A Bisharp. Looks like it was from the front cover. Uncommon and there's no shininess to it. Mawile. Superior energy retrieval. Another Mawile reverse. Whoa! Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Very cool. Thundurus EX. This is an awesome card. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Very cool. Very, very cool. That will definitely be going in a protective binder. Alright, we're halfway done. Plasma Blast with a very cool Genesect on front. And turn to this guy. You know, sometimes I'm careful with the foil packaging, sometimes I'm not. This time we're going for not careful. Alright, Plasma Blast code 12312. So it goes, yep. So we have a very cute little Surskit. Let me make sure this is focused up. There we go. Very cute little Surskit. Larvesta. Muna, or Muna. Aaron, or, yeah, I'm going to call him Aaron, because I think that's his name. Snowrunt. A Chatot. A Machoke. Professor Juniper. Very cool trainer supporter card. I don't know. There's just something about the just the image. It's very cool. Porygon 2. Wow, that looks really cool. Uncommon. Obviously reverse holofoil. Frostlass as our rare. I don't know why I thought there was another card there. That was kind of funny. Anyway, pretty cool looking. I really like that Frostlass actually fits in with this set since it's an ice type. And, oh yeah, I totally forgot that Frostlass evolves from Snowrunt. The more you know. Alright, guys. So that Thundurus EX was pretty cool. But let's hope that we get an equally cool card in our last pack here. The last Plasma Blast. Alrighty. That off to the side. We have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Alrighty. Let's see here. An Aaron or Aaron. I don't know. A Snowrunt. A Snover. A Lapras. Oh wow. I really like the look of that Lapras. Very cool looking. A Porygon to go with our Porygon 2. Or Porygon Z. I think it's a Porygon 2 that we just unwrapped. Nah, I don't know. It's been a long week. Alright, Special Plasma Energy. Tortuga. Pretty cool. Silver Mirror. A Sock. Oh, wow. Look at that. So it's not holofoil, but it is very, very cool. A Suicune. Let's see here. Let's read the... It races around the world to purify fouled water. It dashes away with the north wind. Very, very cool card indeed. Alright. So, not quite as awesome as our Thundurus EX, but still very good. Alright. So, once again, let's see here. Let's go through here. And just going to be grabbing the rares. Alright, I believe that these are all the rares. Feel free to correct me in the comments below. But again, Suicune, our awesome Thundurus EX, very cool Frostlass, and Liepard. Alright, Well, thank you very much, everybody, and I hope you look forward to the next video where we'll be doing another unboxing of something real soon. See ya.